Are you looking for affordable staycation here in Tagaytay? Come and visit with me sa Malasan Santorini Greece Staycation here in Tagaytay. Dito lang yan sa La Bella Boutique Hotel in Tagaytay. The ambience is so cozy, aesthetic, and Instagrammable. Worth it puntahan ngayong Holy Week and summer season. Perfect for couple, family, and friends. At meron din silang mga activities na pwede kang malibang tulad ng table football at sungka. Good thing is meron sila dito mini grocery, malawak na garden at malawak na parking lot. Look at the hallway ng hotel room, Malasan Santorini ang vibe. Pagpasok namin sa room, our room is so cozy, spacious, clean, and comfortable. They also have cabinets, toilet amenities, heated water, and glass pool. It's free pool access. Tara, come and join with me sa kanilang pool area na meron pang adults and kiddie pool. And of course, trinay ko na ang kanilang glass pool na Instagrammable and perfect for this summer. Here's the ambience at night. By the way, meron na sila ditong restaurant and coffee shop at hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. We ordered dinner at the alley. Mabilis yung serving and masarap yung food nila. After dinner, we visit their mini museum. The next day, we have free breakfast and ang ganda rin na restaurant nila dito and the food is so good. By the way, meron din sila ditong Easter party and Station of the Cross, perfect for this Holy Week. Thank you for watching. See you there, guys!